Hi, I'm Angela. Welcome to Seesaw. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the Seesaw Family App. Seesaw makes viewing and connecting with your children's learning easy. Let's get started. When you launch the Family App, you sign in and you will see the Home tab. From Home View, you can see recent posts from all of your children in one place. The Home tab will show you work from the last 60 days. Teachers can also turn on options so you can like and comment on your child's work. Tap the heart icon to like. Tap the comment icon to leave a text or voice comment. Looking at the bottom of the screen, you'll also notice the Journals tab. Once you tap Journals, you can select any of your children's portfolios to explore more deeply. First, tap your child's name, then select the class you want to explore. Just scroll to see content. You'll notice at the top, tap on Calendar View to see items from specific dates without having to scroll endlessly. If you prefer the Feed View, simply tap the Feed View. Another great feature in the Family app is the ability to filter work by folders. Students and teachers can add work to folders to keep their Seesaw portfolio organized. If you tap on the filtering tool at the top, you can filter to a specific folder such as writing. Now I'll only see my child's writing work. If you want to explore a different class or year, go to the upper left and tap the back arrow. Now let's peek at the Inbox tab. On the bottom right, tap Inbox. Tap on Messages to see a list of messages. To read a message, just tap on it to open. You can also send a private message to the teacher. The message you send in the Inbox tabs are only visible to the teacher. If a teacher responds to your message, you will see a red circle appear in Inbox. Simply tap the message to view. If you tap on the Notifications tab, you will see a list of the most recent activity in your children's journals. Now, let's review. Tap Home to see recent posts from all of your children in one place. Tap Journals to browse full portfolios from all of your children's classes and sort by folders. Tap Inbox to view messages and notifications from the teacher. We hope you enjoy the new Seesaw Family app. Thank you for supporting your child and their learning.